The primary mixer cable mixes the wiring between the original OBD port and the new extended port, making the OBD port appear functional but useless to potential thieves. The included Demixer cable reconnects the wiring, restoring full OBD port functionality for mechanics during diagnostics or servicing. Allows for the CarLock OBD device to be securely mounted behind the knee bolster. The plastic panel below the steering wheel for a tamper-proof and discreet setup. Carefully remove the car's dashboard, ensuring to first check for and unscrew any fasteners or screws that may be securing it in place. First, note the orientation of the OBD port, identifying the wider and narrower sides. This will help you easily position the new OBD connector. Access the OBD connector from underneath. Press the two small plastic tabs on its sides inward, then push the OBD connector upward to release it from its original position. Take the mixer cable and locate the OBD connector with two attached cables. Connect this connector to the vehicle's original OBD port. Let's test the setup. Pay close attention to the lights on the blue test device. If the lights are on, the OBD port is active and functioning. In this example, the test device initially shows no lights, indicating that it's not receiving power from the OBD port. Next, we connect the Demixer cable and check the test device again. Now the lights are on, confirming that the Demixer cable has activated the OBD port. This setup puts you in control, allowing you to decide whether the OBD port should be operational. The best part? A thief won't know the port is inactive, rendering any attempt to steal your car through the OBD port completely ineffective. Take the part of the cable we just tested and insert it into the original OBD's position. Push it in until you hear a click, indicating it is securely in place. Take the CarLock OBD device out of the box. Take the OBD port with the shortest cable and firmly connect it to the CarLock OBD device. Ensure the wider side of the OBD port is facing upward for proper GPS signal reception, as the device will not function correctly otherwise. Secure the CarLock device under the dashboard using zip ties to prevent movement. Carefully reassemble the car's dashboard, ensuring all components are securely in place. Once done, your installation is complete.